Time for some Top Day Trade with Phil Flynn of Fox Business News Network contributor and Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com, here for our trader game. Round number one, guys. Cash for cookers. China is using an appliance trade-in plan with subsidies for microwaves and rice cookers to stimulate that economy. Is the FXI trade baked in, or is it a buy?
Well, I like FXI here, the China ETF that tracks the big stocks. Now, they're going to do what they can to stimulate the economy. And yeah, rice cookers don't seem like a big deal, monetarily or financially to add some stimulus. But think about it, that many people buying that many new microwaves and rice cookers and appliances, that can be very much a positive. Now, if you look at the ETF, it's been trading between 25 and 35, and we're right here at this 30 midpoint. So I think they're going to do what they can. So the asymmetrical positive risk here is to the upside.
I actually believe that I wish they were doing it here. I've got so many appliances I would like to turn in. Remember the bread maker craze? Okay. I think we've got 15 crock pots down there somewhere of different ilks. But you know what? I'll tell you what, China's doing the right thing. In fact, we have seen the Chinese retail buyer, we saw a big surge last month. So it does look like China's turning things around. And let's face it, they're at the point where they have to send a message to the market that they're going to do whatever it takes.
Round two, half off or half on. Silver has made half the gains as gold in the last 2 years. What's your precious metal trade, silver or gold?
Silver is at a historically cheap ratio to gold. And if gold does indeed hit $3,000 an ounce, I think there's no reason why we couldn't see silver at $50 or $60 by the end of this year.
Yeah, rubber band snap back. I mean, silver right now has been between 25 and 30 for a while. A breakout target's modestly 35, but in options or in silver futures, that can produce big gains. So I like the risk reward and the fact that it hasn't taken, the same upward momentum that we've seen in gold. That just means it has potential. That means that it's not going to do it, but it hasn't done it yet.
Round three, NVIDIA, super high flying NVIDIA hitting new records this week. What's your price target on that crazy hot stock?
Well, anybody that watches this show knows how important momentum is to me, and we are in a momentum market, and this is our biggest momentum stock. There are some people that are looking for about $1 trillion unwind in the market cap in this stock. I don't think so. A breakout above this 150 level targets 175, and then we're nearly to the the $5 trillion market cap. So I think there's a lot of upside left, and the PE is only 55 compared to Amazon. The PE is 47. So when you put those ideas together, there's still a lot of upside value.
We think the stock's going to double. I think we're in a breakout on this stock. All the negativity that we're hearing in the stock is really based on the fact that, hey, it's just been too good of a stock. Think of the early days of Amazon or the early days of Apple. When you saw those stocks double in a year and you're like, it's probably too rich. Looking back, it was actually a bargain.
Let's see how good you guys are with today's bonus round question. The Girl Scouts sometimes retire cookies. What cookie is still alive and baking? Do-si-dos, Raspberry Rally, or s'mores?
It's got to be the do-si-do. I would never get rid of a do-si-do ever. I think that would be a bad move for the Girl Scouts.
I know which ones are out, so therefore I'm going to have to backtrack into this and reverse engineer. It's the raspberry. Raspberry gets to stay.
Oh, the answer is do-si-dos. Phil wins. But it's tricky because the popular Raspberry Rally, that was a limited edition cookie.
Oh, all right. Fine print. There's fine print on the bottom of the screen right there. Look at that.